Wigamatter here with a quick send-in service proof video for Aaron S. Aaron, this is the console that you sent in for RGH service. It's a Modern Warfare 2 themed. Obviously, you got the background power setting on there too. That's why that's pulsating like that, because I just had the console on while I was loading up software. Anyway, these Modern Warfare 2s are always Jasper consoles, and this one was no different. Jasper 16 megabyte. We did the RGH 1.2 on it using a Matrix glitch chip. Went great, no problems at all. Was able to get really nice quick boot times out of it, as you can see here. There's a disc inside that sleeve that's got backup copies of all of the files that we touched during that. And then we left the game disc in the console that was in there when you sent it too, so we didn't touch that. One out of the ordinary thing that I do want to make you aware of is that after I completed the RGH on this console, I completely reassembled it, turned it on, booting it once. It stayed on for about 15 seconds and then turned completely off and then refused to turn on at all. Would not even show any sort of LED. So the center LED even that just like stays solid on was not even lit up. So I completely disassembled it, took it all the way down to the bare motherboard, and really carefully looked over everything as far as the soldering and stuff. I've run it for about half an hour since then as well, just letting it idle. But once I reassembled it after taking it apart that time, it has been rock solid since. So I have really no clue what happened. I looked over the whole board really carefully. The only thing I did when I put it back together second time was I maybe went a little less forceful on the screws than I normally would, but I only put it back together originally with the same force that I have the last several thousand consoles I've put together, literally. So bottom line, I don't know why it did that, but I want to make you aware that it did do that. It did kind of basically die and then refuse to power on until I disassembled it and reassembled it. So anyway, other than that, the console's totally RGH, as it's been sitting here, you know, rock solid, no problem, idling this whole time I've been chit-chatting. I can sync my controller and, you know, operate it and stuff. So I hope you enjoy the console. I hope that it was just a one-time anomaly thing, probably. And enjoy, and thanks for your business.